Hey guys, we received this Hoarosall Kids Drawing Projector for test and try. So this is an art and craft kit for toys or for boys or girls. And this includes the colored pencils, crayons, coloring box, drawing stencils set, and other stuff. So we can open this box and see what's inside, and let's just do some stuff. So you can see there's a projector thing and then the base. So we have to just assemble this base and the projector. So these are some accessory kits that comes, so you can just put in the screw. So be mindful that there will be a one thing on the side and then you have to just put in here. So before the screw, put the other thing on the side with the other small thing, so you can just put in there. So here are the other things that comes in the accessory pack. So there are 72 patterns, like 8 slides and 9 discs. So you can see all the different patterns and you can put in here. So here you can just slide in the slides and then rotate it so it will project. Now to operate it, you have to put 3 AA batteries. I will show you a little later on. So all the different slides in the vibrant colors and all different patterns, like 72 patterns. So it will be a good thing to draw one by one, and colored pens, drawing book, crayons, colored pencils, stencils of small sizes, and stencils of little big sizes and shapes. So there are a lot of stuff that comes with this box, and you can use it one by one in the different patterns and different sizes to make different craft items, or I will say drawing items. From these small circles, you can draw different patterns, and then also like these are the some small object stencils. So all different stencils and different shapes and objects that you can draw, and then you can make the things work. So this will looks really cool and good. So there you have to put 3 AA batteries. So you see the projection on the paper, and then you can just draw. So this projection is really a colorful style, and then you can draw easily on top of that. So once this light is on, you will get a perfect or a good, the drawing based on this. So it's easy for the kids to just trace and then make their objects, and you can choose the different pattern on the different object based on the slides, and then you can kids can have fun along with this drawing items. You see, like on the tracing, it becomes really easy, and when the whole tracing is done, then you can see the things.